In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate your WordPress content to Squarespace. We'll walk through a clean, reliable way to move your existing posts and pages from WordPress into your Squarespace website, and finish by tightening up formatting so everything looks polished. Start by opening your WordPress site and exporting the content you want to move. In most WordPress dashboards, you'll find this under Tools, then Export. You can export everything or choose specific content types like posts, pages, or media. If you're unsure, exporting all content is the simplest route. This will generate a downloadable file, usually an XML or WXR file. Save it somewhere easy to find. If your site is large, consider exporting in sections to keep file sizes manageable, and always make a quick backup before you begin. Next, head to your Squarespace site dashboard. Open the site you plan to import into. If it's a brand new site, you'll have a clean slate. If it's an existing site, note what's already there so you can keep your navigation organized after the import. Make sure you have the correct permissions to modify the site. From your Squarespace dashboard, go to the Import or Website Import tool. Depending on your template or version, you'll typically find this under Settings, then Import. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar in the dashboard and look for Import. When prompted to choose a source, select WordPress. Squarespace will show a list of supported platforms, and picking WordPress ensures it interprets your export file correctly. Now upload or connect the exported WordPress content. Click to upload the XML or WXR file you saved earlier. If your site is large, give it time to process. Keep your browser tab open and your internet connection stable during this step. If you see any file size warnings, try splitting the export by content type and importing in parts. Let Squarespace import the content into your site. You'll see a progress indicator while it brings in pages, posts, categories, and basic media references. This can take a few minutes, and that's normal. When it finishes, your imported content will appear as new pages or blog collections inside the Pages panel. Finally, review the imported pages, posts, and formatting, then fix anything that needs adjustment. Check headings, spacing, and image placement. Update navigation so your primary and footer menus make sense. Verify internal links, categories, and tags. Reinsert embeds or forms if they didn't carry over cleanly, and replace any missing images. Align styles using your site's design settings so fonts, colors, and buttons match your template. When everything reads well and looks consistent, preview your site and publish your changes.